Okay, the racks are coming along. We're gonna put switches in here. We're almost done with the electrical. They're wrapping this up pretty quickly. We'll be ready for machines up here in less than a month. By the end of June, we should have some machines in here. There's our switch. To do the switch, we have to take that one brace across out, and we lose a shelf. But if we cut the brace off right here, the shelf above, so that we can bring it across to that point and then put a vertical brace from there down to there and bolt it, we can have our shelf come over to the switch, and we don't lose much space that way. So we've got our pieces that are the cross pieces. The longer piece was in the other room, but I showed it to the guy who's doing the racks, and he's going to check with his boss about doing them for us and preparing them. The racks stop there. In here we are working on the racks. They're going to go right on up to the ceiling, and there's the horizontal brace that we want to cut off. So we will check on that measurement, and that will do it. Here's the back side of the switch, and you can see the horizontal brace that goes all the way across. We'll leave that one there. The cross pieces will go connect our other side that's cut off to give us the strength for that shelf, and then we don't lose the shelf. This is the inside of Building E. Huge room. As to how tall they're going to be in here, I don't know. But racks look like they can go 3 high here. And we'll see how the lighting is. They're we'll walk on back. This will be the next place to start putting racks in. This, they did a little plumbing repair. There's a water meter there, which is strange. But in any event, rooms are might be the same size. 2 rooms the same size with the high ceilings. But in any event, this is the next rooms, the next 2 rooms to start putting racks. They'll have to lay it out. I'm not sure how many they'll put in here. It's a lot more than Building D. So we've got our D mark is going to come over on the wall. I'm guessing over on that wall there, and that's where our 10 gigabit per second wiring will come in for our fiber optic, and it'll feed this building. Okay, this is the delivery area. It's Bay 1 of Building D. We brought the pallet jacks up that Kenny was able to get for us, and they will work on these big pallets with a little work. We got a lot of material ready to build the Bay 3. Yep. Gonna move up here. Yeah. I'd like to.
It's beautiful over here. I like it.
Oh, I know.
First time that he's come to here.
Yeah, this is great. We'll be ready for machines in less than a month. Give you some idea of the machines that have come in. These are all Zcash machines. There's 156 of them in addition to the 44 we had on the rack. Gives us 200 right now. My job is to get these up on the rack and get them mining as soon as possible. I'm hoping that by Monday they'll all be up. They're going up on these racks here that are empty. They'll be filled all the way across. The ones that are running are down here. And we will be, these racks are filling up very rapidly. Our subnetted network is working. Firewall is working.